Today, we're doing something that many motorhome buyers wish they had seen before spending thousands of dollars. We're comparing a cheap motorhome and a luxury motorhome in a full, honest review and real-world test. No marketing slogans, no exaggeration, just pure experience. By the end of this review, you'll understand exactly what you gain and what you lose when choosing between a budget-friendly motorhome and a high-end luxury model. Whether you're a first-time buyer or someone planning an upgrade, this comparison might save you money, frustration, and disappointment. Let's start with the first thing everyone notices, the price. The cheap motorhome comes in at a price point that feels approachable. It's the kind of motorhome that makes people think, finally, I can afford this lifestyle. The luxury motorhome, however, costs significantly more, sometimes 2 or 3 times the price. At first, that difference feels shocking, but once you step inside both models, you begin to understand where that money goes. Walking into the cheap motorhome, the interior feels simple and functional. The materials are basic but usable. Surfaces are made from lighter, more affordable materials that get the job done, but don't feel high-end. The seating is comfortable enough, though you can tell that long-term use may wear it down faster. Meanwhile, stepping into the luxury motorhome feels like entering a boutique hotel suite. Soft-touch materials, premium finishes, polished surfaces, and elegant lighting give it an immediate sense of comfort and quality. You feel like you've entered a space designed for long-term living, not just short vacations. The layout differences are also noticeable. In the cheap motorhome, space is used efficiently, but certain areas feel tighter. The walkway may be narrow, the bed may be close to the wall, and storage may require some creative packing. The luxury motorhome uses slide-outs or expanded layouts that create a much more open environment. There's room to move freely, sit comfortably, and even entertain guests. For some travelers, this extra space changes everything. Now let's talk about the kitchen, because it's one of the biggest deciding factors for many buyers. The cheaper motorhome offers a small stove, a compact sink, limited counter space, and a small refrigerator. It's enough for basic meals, quick breakfasts, and simple cooking. However, cooking larger meals or preparing food for multiple people can quickly become frustrating. Storage for dishes and ingredients is limited, and the appliances may feel underpowered. On the other hand, the luxury motorhome kitchen looks and functions like a scaled-down home kitchen. You get a full-size refrigerator, a larger stove, an oven, a microwave, and generous counter space. High-quality cabinetry makes storage easier and more secure during travel. The lighting is brighter and better positioned, making cooking more enjoyable. If you plan to live on the road full-time or cook frequently, the luxury kitchen offers a major advantage. Moving to the bedroom, the differences become even clearer. The cheap motorhome provides a basic sleeping area, usually a mattress that is thin and firm, with limited movement space. It may work for weekend trips or short-term travel, but long-term comfort can be an issue. The luxury motorhome bedroom features a premium mattress, more ventilation, better lighting, and additional space to move around. You can stand up, walk around the bed, and store clothing neatly in built-in wardrobes. For couples, this extra comfort may be worth every dollar. The bathroom comparison is another critical point. In the cheaper motorhome, the bathroom is compact, sometimes cramped. The shower may feel tight, the water pressure may be weaker, and the sink area may be minimal. It works, but it isn't comfortable. The luxury motorhome bathroom, however, feels much closer to a residential bathroom. A larger shower, stronger water flow, better water. Heating and durable materials make daily routines much easier. Even small details like shelf space, mirrors, and ventilation make a big difference when living on the road. Now let's move to driving performance, an area many people overlook before buying. The cheaper motorhome drives adequately, but you can feel the limitations. The suspension may feel firmer, bumps in the road are more noticeable, and engine noise is louder. Steering may require more effort, especially in tight turns or windy conditions. For short trips, this may not be a major concern, but for long-distance travel, fatigue can set in faster. The luxury motorhome, however, provides a smoother driving experience. The upgraded suspension absorbs bumps more effectively, the steering feels lighter and more responsive, and the engine operates more quietly. Road noise is reduced thanks to better insulation. Long drives feel less stressful, making travel more enjoyable for both the driver and passengers. Technology also plays a huge role in the modern motorhome experience. The cheaper motorhome typically includes basic systems, manual controls for lighting, water levels, and temperature management. You may need to check certain features manually. The luxury motorhome introduces smart control systems with touchscreens, automated lighting, climate control, battery monitoring, and sometimes even app connectivity. This makes managing the motorhome easier and more intuitive. Storage is another major difference. The cheap motorhome provides basic storage, overhead cabinets, a small wardrobe, and limited exterior compartments. Packing efficiently becomes essential. The luxury motorhome offers significantly more storage, with deeper cabinets, larger exterior bays, underbed compartments, and organized shelving. If you plan to travel long-term or carry outdoor equipment, this added space becomes extremely valuable. When it comes to durability, the cheaper motorhome generally uses lighter materials that may show wear sooner. Cabinet doors may loosen over time, surfaces may scratch, and upholstery may degrade faster. The luxury motorhome uses higher quality materials built for longevity. Cabinets feel solid, hinges are stronger, and surfaces are designed to resist wear and tear. For long-term ownership, maintenance costs can end up lower on a luxury model simply because fewer things break. However, there are also advantages to the cheaper motorhome. One major benefit is maintenance cost. Repairs are usually less expensive, parts are easier to find, and systems are simpler to fix. The luxury motorhome may require specialized service, higher repair costs, and more complex components. For travelers who prefer simplicity and affordability, the cheaper model offers peace of mind. Fuel efficiency can also differ. The cheaper motorhome is often lighter, leading to better fuel economy. The luxury version, with its added features and weight, may consume more fuel. Over years of travel, this difference can become significant. Another point to consider is emotional connection. Some travelers say that the cheaper motorhome feels more adventurous. It encourages a minimalist lifestyle, focusing on travel experiences rather than luxury. Others say that the luxury motorhome makes them feel truly at home on the road, turning travel into a comfortable lifestyle rather than a compromise. So, which one is better? The answer depends on your needs. If you prioritize affordability, simplicity, lower maintenance costs, and occasional travel, the cheaper motorhome can be a great choice. It gives you access to the lifestyle without overwhelming expenses. But if you want comfort, space, better driving performance, premium materials, advanced technology, and long-term living capability, the luxury motorhome stands out clearly. After testing both, the biggest difference comes down to how you feel after spending time in them. The cheaper motorhome works well for short trips, but after several days, the lack of space and comfort becomes noticeable. The luxury motorhome, however, continues to feel comfortable and enjoyable even after weeks of travel. It supports a full-time lifestyle in a way that cheaper models simply cannot. In the end, the best motorhome is the one that matches your travel style. If you're stepping into the motorhome world for the first time, a cheaper model may be the perfect starting point. You can learn what you truly need without a huge investment. But if you already know that you love this lifestyle and want the best experience possible, the luxury motorhome may be worth the higher cost. Whatever you choose, the most important thing is that your motorhome lets you explore freely, enjoy your travels, and create unforgettable memories on the road. That's what truly matters.